How to reactivate a Pinterest account. Pinterest is an internet photo and idea sharing network. Do you want your deactivated Pinterest account back? Try this method. Number 1. Go to the Pinterest login page. Visit www.pinterest.com/login in your computer browser. Number 2. Log into your deactivated account. Type your original email and password and click on the login button. Now Pinterest will send you a reactivation email. If you don't remember your password, go to www.pinterest.com/password/reset and reset it. Number 3. Go to your email inbox. Open the reactivation email and click on the Reactivate Your Account button. If you can't find the email, check your junk folders and search your inbox for @pinterest.com emails. Number 4. Done. You should have access to Pinterest again. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and share.